today we had a backyard chickens workshop. So people came here to learn about how to keep backyard chickens, what that entails, what they might need, and we also talked a little bit about different types of chickens too. So this is definitely the first one we've done this year. We try to do these at least once a year, but now with this workshop, we're hoping to do this once a month now. So we're hoping to have this hopefully not be the last one of the year or the summer, and we may even branch out into different animals depending on people's interest levels. We could definitely talk about raising goats, sheep, horses, pigs, really any animals that we have here we can talk about raising. So we'll have to see how that goes and where that takes us to. A lot of people are coming here, maybe they've already ordered chickens or they're thinking about it, and a lot of people I think today specifically came excited to learn more and see if it was something they were really into doing. There were definitely some nerves. I know we had a few questions about like, what do I do when I go on vacation, which is usually what most people are nervous about when they get animals, but I think for the most part everybody was very excited. I would hope people leave with more knowledge, at least on a basic level. This is a great way to start, but I think a lot of people ask some really great questions. So I think people are leaving today with a pretty good understanding of how to raise chickens, what they might need to do, and I hope people leave with more curiosity. So I always say baby chicks are addicting, so I'm sure this will not be the first or last baby chicks that these families order. So I think it's going to be really exciting for them.